Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a vampire bat. Let's start off by drawing a big curved line here to start a wing. Then, another curved line going down and to the right. Another going a bit higher for the pointed ears. And a curve to the other ear. Mirror these lines on the other side. On the bottom, we'll draw a similar shape with a big curve going to the right. 3 smaller curves in the middle. And one more big curve ending at the wing here. For the eyes, draw 2 dots in the middle, followed by an oval underneath, with 2 V-shapes inside for the fangs, and a small bump at the bottom with a very thin line for the tongue. And to make it look angry, add some short lines above the eyes for the eyebrows. And now you've got a vampire bat.